Alright, I'm very bad at unboxing videos, but I got my new lens for cell phones. Very excited. This is a bigger box than I remembered. It comes with a tripod. I forgot that it has a tripod with it. So yeah, this is a way bigger box than I was imagining. But ooh, oh yeah. How's that look? All right, let's crack it open and see what's inside. I never get new stuff, man. So excited. And I was excited about the $3, glasses I got from the drugstore. This is, oh, got some tape here. We're gonna, yeah, all right. Ooh, instructions. Ooh, very, very nice bag that the tripod, I guess, goes in. Ooh, the cloth for the lens. Yes, all right. Okay, that's the lens. Tripod out. Okay. Now, okay, this is the clip. Now, I've experienced this clip with that macro lens that I had to send back. Yes, it's a very awesome clip. I very much like this. Yeah. See, slides back and forth. Lens mounts in there, and this grips tightly, snugly onto your phone. Okay. So yeah, go ahead and adjust it. When we mount the lens, it will be lined up. All right. Check that out. So, and then we tighten it down with this nut up here. Boom. Oh, see, compare this clip to this. I mean, come on. We're talking ages different. And let's compare the lenses now. This dinky $15 lens. So hopefully this will be exciting. Let's see. All right. It's heavy. Love a heavy lens, but this is way bigger than I thought I'd be taking to a concert. This is a real lens. Oh my goodness. Look at this bad boy. Wow. This compared to this. Like, see, the $64 option was this clip with this lens, whereas this was the $164 option. And now I got a focus and a zoom ring. All right. Okay, so let's mount her up. I'm pretty sure this threads on just like that macro lens that I bought. Yep, clip it on, screw it. Okay, it looks like we're going clockwise. And then mount that. All right. Let's try. How exciting. I haven't gotten a new camera or thing or a cell phone thing in so long. All right. Okay. This is a real lens, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Okay. Okay guys, check this out. I got it nice and mounted on my shooting camera phone. It's huge. Look how big this is. I didn't realize it was this big, but it's nice. I've been, here you go. I'm gonna roll on this, and I'm gonna give you the same test I gave with the other lens, that dinky one. But look at, it's a lot smoother at range, and I still have the zoom. Got the ring zoom right here I'm bumping out with. And I've also got my pinch zoom. So yeah. You just got to make sure when you pinch out, you don't flip to that other lens because you're blocking that other lens. See, like there, it won't let me. Good. So yeah, once you're recording, it won't let you bump to that other lens. Yeah, that's on this phone. It might be different, but yeah, I'm deadly with this thing. Handheld, I'm excited about it. It's just not that discreet. I did not realize how big this thing would be. But yeah, I love it. I'm very excited about it. This is a cool piece of camera, phone stuff that I've acquired. You know, it's been a long time since I got something new. All right, cool. All right, let's get the tripod together. All right, we're just gonna set this tripod up. Real simple. Extend the legs. Sound effects. Give me new toys. I get excited. All right, very simple. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, extend this, tighten that, tighten that, tighten that. You know what I've discovered is threading things on camera is very difficult. Let's see if I get this right. All right, you don't want to get it wrong and drop a lens. Right? Okay, I did it. All right, it's pretty good. It's not bad. All right, I could have just spun the gimbal, but I spun the whole damn thing. All right, okay, so, legs. All right, so here we go. All right, let's test this thing out. I'm gonna zoom this sucker in, hit record now, boom. Okay, and we'll do a picture-in-picture, and oh, there we go. Look at how precise it is and smooth. Okay, we're tightening that down. But again, I seriously doubt I'm going to be able to take a tripod into a concert. So there's your zoom. And of course you got to focus too. You focus out, zoom out. You get a lot of control with this, especially with the tripod like this. It's nice. I really dig this setup. I mean, this clip it's as good as you can get it to be versatile. I mean, and again, that's where the point of failure was with that other cheaper model. With this model, where you're just clipping junk on, you know, and it can slide and shift so simply. This isn't going to slide or shift like that. You just gotta keep it in control, but that's what you gotta do with every lens. So, you know, but no, and then of course you got the pinch still. And see, now if you pinch all the way out, you can see the inside of the lens. So you gotta be careful to set, you gotta set your back focus. You gotta set like the back of the lens to where the pinch is. So when you zoom out with the lens, you don't zoom out and see the inside of the scope. So yeah, it's tricky, but I love it. It's amazing. It's worth the money. I mean, if you're a camera guy, video person, it's a nice piece. I'm gonna have to get good at using a handheld. Like any new piece of equipment, you just got to use it a lot and get good at it. And you know, I haven't yet. All I've shot is that picture so far. Boom. All right, well, this has been my unboxing and testing of the Apexel telephoto lens kit for smartphones. I really dig it. I love it. It's amazing. I can't wait to practice with it and really test it out in the field and see what I can get with it. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. And thanks for watching.